Good morning, you all. And today, just I am going to start. So one of the topics, so upon whose, so many of them also teach about also the grammars. More they also affluently and voraciously. They also talk about that also only the rules of the grammars. But there are also some magic share there and some tricks is quite simple. Then you can have your knowledge very quickly and you can grab that also efficiently. So just I will first teach about this simple, compound and complex sentences. So simple sentence means what? Only one independent clause is there. Only one independent clause is there. Then we can speak that is a simple sentence. So simple sentence means only one verb you can also find there. Only one verb. Simple sentence में एक ही verb है. Only one verb. And simply you can identify that is the simple sentence. So here is example given. I can speak English. I is the subject and speak is the main verb and can is the modal auxiliary. So it is one verb, one subject. बात यहाँ पर खत्म हो रहा है. पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन भी आप आ रहे हैं. Because देखिए then what one is speaking. So it is all clear. I can speak English. मेरे को English speaking मालूम है. So all the information is clear. So सामने वाला क्या बोल रहा है उसको आपको we can understand very easily. उसको English बोलना बहुत अच्छा है मालूम है. So that's why one verb is here. So where one verb, then that is called the simple sentence. So another sentence also I am giving now. I went to the mall. I subject. Went is the verb. So here one verb. I went to the mall. So आपको बात सब भी then everyone will understand that. Who went to the mall? I went to the mall. This sentence is clear and it is called a simple sentence. So here is only one clause. Here is only one because it indicates only one verb. So now it is compound. Compound means some addition is there. Compound. Right? Then what is the addition? Compound sentence means there might be or there are two or more independent clauses. देखिए compound में one भी हो सकता है, two or three. They are independent clauses, not dependent. So independent means they stand on their own legs. They do not require the support from others. ठीक है, उसको कोई support की जरूरत नहीं है. Because it can express its own meaning. So how the example just will take. I went to the mall and I bought a dress. So here I subject went with the verb and here I subject bought in the verb. So पूरी बात खत्म हो रहा है. I went to the mall and I bought a dress. Yes, because this past person is here, subject verb is here subject verb is here, and meaning is also here. Absolutely meaning is there, but and it is called the connector. And it is called the connector. Connector means it connects the two parts of the sentences into only one idea. And it is also called the coordinating conjunction. Coordinating means रिश्ता. उसका बीच में क्या रिश्ता है? Relationship क्या है? So that is called coordinating conjunction. So it is independent and it is also independent clause. So wherever we find more than two independent clauses without any support, उसका कोई support की जरूरत नहीं है. वो उसका मीनिंग वो क्लियर कर रहे हैं. I went to the mall, I bought a dress. वो भी मीनिंग क्लियर हो रहा है. So it is called a compound. Suppose I will clear this. Suppose I will clear. Suppose I will omit it. I will remove and I went to the mall, I bought a dress. Then both the sentence meaning is clear. So that's why it can also stand on its own legs. And this part also stands on its own legs. Two parts का independent है. कोई dependent का जरूरत नहीं है. So now just I am going to have last one. So the complexion. Complex means very complicated. Suppose we want to break it, so it will lose its originality. Originality खत्म हो जाएगा. So example, this is the room where I was educated. So this is the room. Subject verb. Here is subject verb. बट स्टिल देन दिस इज रूम, मेरे को ये भी बात पता चल रहा है कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस का मीनिंग बहुत क्लियर है, बट सेकंड वन वेयर हैज इट रिपीटेड, वेयर हैज इट मीनिंग व्हाट द मीनिंग वी फाइंड, नथिंग, नो मीनिंग, वेयर हैज इट रिपीटेड, पूरी बात खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, वेयर हैज इट रिपीटेड, नो एब्सोल्यूट क्लियर अबाउट द सेंटेंस, पूरी बात खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, मीनिंग भी पूरी कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है, समथिंग इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा है, सो दैट्स व्हाई it is a completion. Next sentence, all the students laughed when the teacher cried. So all the students laughed. That is subject students, and also laughed is the verb. The teacher subject, cried is verb. But still then, when the teacher cracked the joke, क्या पता चल रहा है? When the teacher cracked the joke, something incomplete आ रहा है, meaning complete नहीं आ रहा है. But in case of the first sentence, all the students laughed. वो बात पूरी पता चल रहा है कि पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन आ रहा है, पूरी जो थॉट्स है वो भी सब पूरी थॉट्स आइडिया आ रहा है, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ए कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, सो ब्लाइंडली यू कैन जज. सो टुडे नेक्स्ट टाइम टू स्टार्ट, थैंक यू.